Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI and the SQL model. Today we are going to learn about many-to-one relationship using the FastAPI and the SQL model. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So many to one relationship is the inverse of the one to many relationship. So here what we are trying to consider a scenario where multiple book records relate to the one publisher and each book is published by only one publisher. But a publisher can publish many books. Okay, so this is a scenario that I am going to take it up. Okay, so we will model the relationship between the book and the publisher. So let's dive into the code level. Okay, so first of all, we have to create the relationship. So here we have the publisher. Okay, so with ID and the name. Relationship to link publisher with multiple books. So books and relationship with publisher. Okay, next we have the books. Okay, model here you consider with ID, title and the year. Foreign key reference to the publisher, that is publisher ID. Okay, and here you can see that foreign key, that publisher ID. Relationship to link book back to its publisher with the help of the back populates books, and here we have established the relationship between the book and the publisher. Okay, so this is our model that we have done. Next we have to go with our schemas. So book read and the publisher read, this is the schema in which we have to return the data. Okay, the last one, that is the main file. So this is all the import. So fast API, SQL model, typing, SQL alchemy, ORM, models, schemas, context lab, and the database. Okay, so all are these over here. Now create the database tables and insert dummy data on the startup. So here we can, on the startup we have to connect to the database and then insert the dummy data. Okay, and perform if you have the shutdown if needed. Okay, now we have the session. So here we have the insert the dummy data into the database. So this is the database that we are going to exist, that is publisher penguin books with the books. So here we have the two books, right? Then publisher 2 having the two books, right? Then session dot add all publisher 1 and publisher 2, then commit. Okay, so this is how we will able to insert the data. Now this is create the publisher with books, so this we can avoid it. Okay, so only I need the get one. So read the publisher associated with the books. Okay, so this we can use it to read all the publisher related to the books, right? So let's see, let's save this and run this one. So here we go with the, I think one. So let's enter it. So table book is created. Okay, table publisher is created. If I go to my database, so if I reload this, book is ready, publisher is ready, and the data is also ready because we have already run this script, and the publisher we have already there with penguin books and the Harper Collins. So already you can see that the all the data is inserted here. You can insert into the book, insert into the book, and the commit. Okay, so everything is already done. Now we have to read the publishers with their associated books. So just use the get publishers into our postman and let's see, is it working or not. Let's try to send it up. So penguin books is associated with the books that we have, and the another one that is HarperCollins with the book 3 and the book 4. So this is how the relationship work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. Let me recall the last one. So here we have the get publishers with the response model, that is list publisher read. So here you can publisher read, we have ID, name and the books. So books, we are going to go with the books read. So this is how the chain will come up as a JSON response. What we have done, select publisher options, select in load. Okay, make sure select in load we have to use for the, here you can see recursion depth, because we need to get all the data according to it, then all. So this will help you to get all the publishers with their associated books. Okay, so thank you so much, have a great day.